Hi guys, this is the biggest airplane I have ever ridden. Can you guess what airlines I'm going on? Alright guys, join me to the biggest airplane I have ever ridden in my life. Come guys! Now, of course, this isn't the biggest airplane of all time. There are some planes in the past that were like 2 times bigger than this. Our seat was in the second floor. We were one of the few passengers to force board in. See guys, how long it is. Looks like you cannot see the end. So, we have to walk all the way to the end where the stairs is. Guys, we finally found the stairs after a few meters of walking. Now, let's go up. By the way, this seat is still under economy, but seats here are lesser, so there's less people. And it's not only lesser, it's bigger, only 2 seats in a row, and more leg room. Alright guys, now we will start taking off. Bye guys, if you want to see more YouTube content in my channel, you can go to my channel and watch my shorts and videos. Okay guys, please subscribe to my channel. There are only a few of you who subscribed to me. So guys, please subscribe. God bless you all.